I just think it's lovely. Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new cup project. I am going to use a new product today, and we are going to put some glitter on a cup, and we are going to do some other things, and it's going to be great fun. So stick around. The nice folks at Craft Resin contacted me recently and asked me if I would please try their resin out and let them know what I think. And I said, sure, I'd be happy to. It sounds fantastic. Low viscosity, crystal clear, excellent UV protection, odorless, no VOCs, non-flammable, non-toxic, and bubble-free. Now there's an asterisk there, and usually when there's an asterisk, it means there's an asterisk somewhere else that gives you more information, like bubble-free, except on Thursdays, or, But I could not find a follow-up asterisk with more information anywhere in the box or on the box. So maybe they're just letting you know that that's a big deal. And it would be. If it's bubble-free, that is a big deal. So we're going to put it on this cup. I have a 30-ounce thick here from Maker Flow. I have sanded it and washed it, and then I painted it with metallic gold from Rust-Oleum. And I'm going to mix up 40 milliliters of this new resin. I'm going to mix into it some glitter I just got today. This glitter was in the latest Franz Glitter & More subscription box for the month of March, and it's called Prestige. And it's on the surface, it's a champagne gold sort of color, but there are all sorts of other colors mixed in there. I mean, it just looks beautiful. So we are gonna mix it into the resin and slap it on the cup and see what we get. Sit back and enjoy the show. Welcome back. This is our gorgeous, 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 gorgeous gold tumbler featuring the glitter Prestige from Franz Glitter & More. And I absolutely love how this looks. I love the gold, I love the sparkle, and I love all the colors in there as well. I just think it's lovely. So I am going to go ahead and decal. I'm going to put a black water slide on it, and I'm also going to put a strip of crowns around the crown, and then I have another little water slide to stick on the bottom. So that's what we're here for at this moment. Go ahead and put this in the water. This is my favorite brand of water slide decal paper from the Hippoo company, HIIPOO. I printed it out on my inkjet printer, and then I seal it with 2 layers of Rust-Oleum 2X clear gloss spray. And the third layer is Plastidip Glossifier, which I will link to below, although if you can find it at a local Home Depot, Walmart type store, you're going to get a better price. But I know some people don't have that option, so Amazon does have it. We're going to get some water slide decals on this tumbler. Okay, now I'm going to put my little carriage on the bottom. All right, I'm going to put this aside so that everything thoroughly dries, and then I'm going to put a final layer of resin on it. Stay tuned. So I just remembered that I wanted to do something else to this before I put a final layer of resin on it. I want to sticklefy a couple things. I have a box of Stickles, and I'm going to try and play off the colors I see in the glitter. There's an orange, a purple, and a green. So that's a good green. Go with orange slice and purple lavender. I'm not going to do too much. Since purple is the color of royalty, I will sticklefy the heart of the crown. It looks great. I will let everything dry. Obviously, it's drying along with the water slides until tomorrow, and then we'll put some resin on it. So stay tuned.